All right, guys, we just got this here temporarily, so it has to read the air going into the engine, so that way I'll idle. But I think we're about to go on and crank it up. We already got it primed. We already primed the oil and everything. Got it all situated. Just put the fuse back in for the fuel pump. So I'm gonna get you guys set up, and we're gonna go on and crank it.